welcome back. Another Nick Dog video. We out here. We're out here enjoying these epic conditions. You know what I mean? Don't get no better than this. For those of you that know Hollister, only if Lowerfield was open, it would be better. But we're over here. Whoa! Dude, my tire is like literally roached in the back. She's seen better days. We got one on order, so next ride we'll have a brand new one. But right now we just hang on with it. Ball tire never stops eating. Just keeps you squirrely, keeps you on the toes. Look at this butter. Oh, what the big old white rock in the freaking way, dude. It's intense. Stop. Whoa! Woo! Close. Dude, I'm all over the place, man. Been off the bike for a few weeks and you come back on and you're just like, dude, did I forget how to ride? That's how I feel right now. Cruising with a fellow subscriber. You guys asked if I ever ride with subscribers. I do. I haven't did a ride day yet. Maybe I should. Smash that like button if you think I should do a ride day. Nick Dog ride day. But this guy just hit me up off IG when I was coming out here. Actually, yesterday night. Sure, I'll be out there. We get whiskey with it. If you want to come through, let's do it. So here we are. You know what I mean? He's doing pretty good. Coming high right there, boys. Let's go down here and try this. I haven't been down this in a minute. Whoa! Oh man! Definitely got eaten up by the rain. You can be able to haul mail down this. Guess you still can, but I'm a squid, so I'm just taking it easy. Got that baby boy at home right now. He's a month and 12 days, man. That guy's a ripper already. Can't wait to get him a bike. You're gonna see Daddy and Son vlogs coming soon. Well, you know, it's gonna take a little time. Shit. Don't be surprised if I don't buy those little straps that you can wear like a, you know, and tie them up right here on my chest. We go rip around. You know? Yeah, he's doing good. Definitely a change, man. It's been a couple of crazy sleepless nights. It's intense. Me and my wife been like, Jesus, this is a little slap in the ass for sure. Like, he's like, wake your ass up at 1 in the morning. Wake your ass up at 2. But you know, every damn hour almost the dude be up. But he's growing fast. Can't wait for the day get him out on a bike and tire his ass out. And he comes home and he sleeps all damn night. That's what I'm gonna do. Like, Mom, we're gonna ride and I'm gonna tire this guy out. He's sleeping. I got a good excuse to go riding a lot more, man. Like me and the son will be like, yeah, we both go tomorrow and be like, hey, we gotta ride. All right, son? Yep, we gotta ride. Oh, look at the deers! Watch out, buddy, boy! Yee! Oh, look at him go! Look at him go! Oh, where are you going, man? Shit, he wants to race. There you go, there you go, there you go. I don't like to spook him because we're out here in his home. We're out here in his area. Ain't no need to chase him down. He's like doing us a favor, actually letting us race on his land, you know what I mean? Just gotta respect the wildlife. Hopefully no trees are down in here. I haven't been down here in a minute. Get after it. It smells good right here. Might be able to turn up right there, but for some reason people are turning around right here. Let's go for it. Oh yeah, you can go right here. Might not. Definitely a cutoff. There's a drop off right there. Found that out. And we tipped over again. Damn leaves were hiding that. Hiding that little drop off. That's not how the trail originally went. Alright guys, gonna do it for this vid. Make sure you smash that like button, subscribe, share this video. Be out here ripping. Peace.